Gaza's resistance against Israeli occupation continues into its 32nd week, with the people of Gaza and their defenders confronting a severely imbalanced and brutal conflict. Abu Ubaidah, spokesperson for Hamas military wing, Al-Qassam Brigades, emphasized the unwavering resolve and fierce defense mounted against Israeli forces. Abu Ubaidah condemned the actions of the Israeli government, accusing it of committing heinous crimes of extermination and labeling its military actions as terroristic and systematically criminal. He vowed that the resistance would persist in opposing the Israeli occupation's ambitions, thwarting any perceived victories. Detailing the Israeli offensive, Abu Ubaidah highlighted strategic errors by Israeli forces during ground attacks on Rafah, the Zaytun neighborhood, and Jabalia. Contrary to Israeli expectations of minimal resistance following extensive bombardments, they faced fierce and determined opposition. In a message of solidarity, Abu Ubaidah praised the broader Islamic resistance movement, acknowledging the support of fighters from Lebanon, Yemen, and Iraq. He detailed the resistance's significant achievements, including the destruction of 100 Israeli military vehicles within 10 days and inflicting considerable casualties on Israeli forces, despite official Israeli reports downplaying their losses. In the face of overwhelming adversity, ranging from starvation to relentless attacks, the resilience of Gaza's inhabitants and their steadfast defiance against Israeli forces shines through. Abu Ubaidah, spokesperson for Hamas, Al-Qassam Brigades, emphasized this unyielding spirit amidst the ongoing conflict. Despite the dire circumstances, Gaza's resistance continues to engage Israeli forces with unwavering determination. Employing strategic tactics such as demolishing buildings, utilizing intricate tunnel networks, and deploying minefields, they stand firm against the occupation's aggression. Israel has waged a brutal offensive on the Gaza Strip following an October 7, 2023 Hamas attack which killed 1,200 people. More than 35,000 Palestinians have since been killed in Gaza, mostly women and children, and over 79,200 others injured, according to Palestinian health authorities.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.